So ladies, you are hitting 40 and you are suddenly started feeling fatigued. Movements का मन नहीं होता, joints pain होते हैं. So why is this happening all of a sudden? You have been active throughout, and as you are hitting this, 40s, you have started feeling all these things. You are getting improper sleep, you are feeling fatigued, you are not feeling active. So क्या क्या reason होते हैं? Let's discuss today. So after 40, there is a natural loss in the muscle mass, which we call sarcopenia. Although it's a very fancy word, but after 40, हमारा जो muscle है, it starts losing its mass. So yes, that is one of the reason you are not feeling very active. You are feeling fatigue. Also, जो strength होती है हमारी, that starts declining after 40. And in females, when they are hitting this zone of in 40s, so we are moving towards menopause. उसमें क्या होता है, हमारे बॉडी के बहुत सारे उसमें hormonal changes होते हैं. So these hormonal changes also in turn they have a role on sleep, they have a role on the ligaments strength. So after menopause, आपका calcium absorption, the food which you are taking, that also gets decreased. So calcium absorption gets reduced. Muscle loss, of course, muscle mass is reducing, and your sleep pattern, because of the hormonal changes, your sleep pattern is disturbed. And whenever the sleep is disturbed, we have a increased sensitivity towards pain. तो थोड़ा भी पेन हमें लगेगा वो ज़्यादा पेन है. तो कैसे फिक्स कर सकते हैं all these hormonal changes, the sarcopenia happening, the sleep disturbances happening, the ligaments are getting weak, the muscle is getting weak. So what can be done? So resistance training is the answer. It's not that only the gym goers or those who are building bodies, they should go for resistance training. This resistance training is underrated. Nobody is doing. So we are going for a walk, females are going for yoga, and they are thinking, yes, they are sorted. No, here there is a big controversy about this. That is for your general conditioning. If you are going for a walk, you are going for yoga sessions, that is good for conditioning your body. But the role where it's a natural, aging is natural, but getting weak is not a compulsion. You should not get weak. You should age, but you should age gracefully. उसके लिए क्या करना है, हमें बैलेंस ट्रेनिंग को इनकॉर्पोरेट करना है अपने लाइफस्टाइल में. सिंगल लेग बैलेंसिंग शुरू कीजिए, अनइवन सरफेस पे बैलेंस शुरू कीजिए. रेसिस्टेंस ट्रेनिंग ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको 10 kg के डंबल से 20 kg के डंबल से एक्सरसाइज करनी है. व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग, यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ से half kg और 1 kg. सो दैट इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट इफ यू आर डूइंग इट. ज़्यादा रेपिटेशंस भी ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट in a schedule, daily your schedule should have some kind of resistance training. In a week's time, what you can do is you can schedule your training as one day is one day you're going to strengthen the upper body, the next in the weekdays you are going to strengthen your lower body, legs, calf, ankles, upper body like shoulders, elbows, and your core. So every over a period of week you can stretch your schedule, like today I'm going to train my upper body just with half kg or 1 kg weight. That is more than sufficient. And also the evidence and the researchers have proved that when we start resistance training, they have a role on sarcopenia also. Not that it is going to stop sarcopenia. That's a natural aging process. Everybody has to undergo that. So what it does is resistance training, it reduces the progression of sarcopenia. Once you are into resistance training, the muscle mass is achieved and the strength is achieved. So strength, this curve when you are getting muscles are getting strengthened. So this process is getting slow, the sarcopenia. Also the calcium absorption, which after menopause, when you are hitting 40s, you are hitting 45, so that is decreased. So with evidence and research suggest with resistance training, the calcium absorptions also gets enhanced. So that is one thing. Your muscle is getting improved, your bone health is getting improved. Also क्या होता है कि अगर हमारी muscle weak है, we are developing, the bones are losing their calcium, the bone are losing their strength. So falling is very common, not because कि बैलेंस की कोई प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज हमारा मसल मास कम है, हमारा बोन हेल्थ प्रॉपर नहीं है. सो फॉलिंग इज इवेंचुअली you tend to fall more. So balance exercises, resistance training, good sleep, hydration, diet, ये सब when you are hitting 40, it is very important to take care of yourself. And the one of the prime, if I'm going to give marks, 1 on 10, if I'm going to give whether you should go for a walk, whether you should go for a yoga classes, resistance training is the first, it gets the full 10 on 10 marks. So get up, do some weight training, not go for, you don't have to go for start away with 10 kg dumbbells. No, don't. You can start with 1 kg, and that is more than. Consistency is the key. You have to be consistent in whatever training you are doing. Not every day you have to train whole body. Fix a day for your shoulder, fix a day for your core, fix a day for your leg.